Okay, welcome to the channel. My name is Dynamic, and today I'm going to do a breakdown beat of this beat, how it's made, why it sounds like the way it sounds, etc. You know how it goes. Okay. It's a love song type beat, a wedding day type beat, I don't know. So, chord progression, this is it. Followed by, then we used plucks with purity, bamboo too, right here. So they're just following the chord progression. If you like, I can show you. Copy, paste. So they're just an octave higher than the chord progression, so they're octave up. They're just following the chord progression and nothing special happening. So I'm going to remove that. Then we come to the morphine, which is producing that flute sound you heard. Then on our chord progression, we're using FL keys preset E piano. Okay. Then for the bass line, we're using another stocking plugin. What's the name of it? It has a name with a number in it. Okay, let me check for you. Let me check right here. Fruity DX10 on preset E flute, so it's doing the bass. Then I think that was O. That was O. Then we are using these shakers. Simple. Then the drum pattern, it's actually simple too. The rim, bango, another bango, our kick, hi-hat, that's all. Then fillers to show us where we are on the beat, the chorus, what. If you like the FLP, I'm giving it away for free. Just comment the word FLP and I'll make sure that you get the link to the Google Drive. Subscribe for more. Stay tuned.